Hello! I hope you're enjoying your Luvele yogurt maker and all of the health benefits homemade yogurt provides. Maybe you have ordered our fresh vacuum container set as well and are enjoying keeping your food fresher for longer with the plastic-free food storage containers. One more product I wanted to let you know about in the Luvele range is our high-speed Vibe blender. We have designed our high-speed Vibe blender with our unique stainless steel jug. Myself and the team at Luvele are highly focused on removing as much plastic as possible from our range of kitchen appliances, especially the parts of the appliance that come into contact with food. Many of the recipes we create take advantage of the power and precision of our Vibe blender. If you are looking to upgrade your current blender and move away from processing your food in plastic, then the Vibe blender is a great solution. I will link another video below that covers all of the features and benefits of our Vibe blender, so be sure to check that out. I will also link all of our great blender recipes below so you can see what is possible in the Vibe blender. If you have any questions, email me back and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for your time and bye for now.